Welcome to OSR YouTube channel.
OSR Easy Learning. In this video, we will be covering time concepts. This will help you get deeper understanding of time, how it is measured, different time formats, etc. Our endeavor is to keep the video simple and interesting. Time. What is time? What time is it? How long is an hour? What will be the time after 1 hour and 20 minutes? What time will I reach school today? When should I start if I have to reach mall at 3:25 p.m.? How many days are there this February? Are quarter past 9 and 9:15 same? Confused? Don't worry. We are here to answer your doubts and explain to you the concepts around time. Ready? Okay. What is time? Time defines how an event progresses from past to present to future. For example, 1 year back, that is in past, you were in grade 3. At present or today, you are in grade 4. 1 year later or in future, you will be in grade 5. An event like your age too can be measured in years from past, present and future. Now look at this image explains you clearly past, present, future. Now time can be measured in years, months, weeks, days, hours, minutes, seconds, etc. All of these units are put in descending order of their duration, which means year is bigger than a month and so on. Look at the table alongside. Now this table explains you the conversion between different units of time. There is approximate mentioned in some of the conversions. We will explain you later why it is so. Okay, please remember this table. Now a day is defined as time taken by our earth to complete one rotation along its own axis. To do so, earth takes 24 hours, so day is equal to 24 hours. An year is defined as time taken by our earth to complete one revolution around the sun. Earth revolves around the sun in 365 days, 5 hours, 59 minutes and 16 seconds, or close to 365 1 by 4 days. For simplicity, we say that Earth completes one revolution in 365 days. We add remaining 1 by 4 day every year to the month of February. This year is a leap year and February has 29 days in a leap year. Okay, now if we divide a year into 12 months, then each month would be 365 by 12 or 30.4 days long. So some days are 31 days, some are 30 days and Feb has 28 days, all summing to 365 days. Now look at this picture. Remember how to count number of days in a month. Analog watch and clock. Both clock and watch are used to tell us time during a day. A clock is generally hanged from a wall, whereas a watch is worn around a wrist. Analog form of watch and clock are similar looking. An analog clock has hours hand. Look at the picture. It tells time in hours of the day. It is the shortest and thickest hand of the watch or clock. A clock has hours number from 1 to 12, each representing a gap of 1 hour. So in one round, hours hand completes only 12 hours. So for full day of 24 hours, hours hand completes 2 rounds. In 1 hour, hours hand gradually advances 1 hour number. If it is at 2, then it moves to 3. Gradually means that after half an hour, it will be exactly between 2 hours numbers. Minutes hand. Look at the picture. It tells us the minutes elapsed after an hour. It is longer and slimmer than hours hand. In 1 minute, a minute's hand advances gradually from 1 minute number to another minute number. There are 60 minute numbers on a clock to represent 60 minutes in an hour. Seconds hand. Look at the picture. It tells us the seconds elapsed during a minute. It is the longest and slimmest hand of a watch. Both minutes hand and seconds hand share the same 60 numbers. In 1 minute, seconds hand completes one full round to represent 60 seconds in a minute. To understand the concepts completely, please replay the video. Digital watch and clock. Digital form of watch and clock look much different. A digital clock is shown alongside. With advancement in electronics, a digital clock can display many more things apart from time. They can display temperature, day of the week, date, etc. Concept. We divide a day into two parts of 12 hours each. First half is called AM, antemeridium, and second half is called PM or postmeridium. In Latin, meridis means midday, ante means before, and post means after. So antemeridium or AM means before noon and postmeridium or PM means afternoon. Day starts midnight at 12 AM. Noon is called 12 PM. A digital clock essentially has hours number. Look at the picture. It tells time in hours of the day. Hour can be displayed in 24 hours or 12 hours format. A 12-hour format displays hours from 1 till 12 depending on part of the day. It also suffixes AM or PM. A 24-hour format displays hours from 0 till 23. Look at the table alongside for 24 hours to 12 hours format. So this table gives you a conversion from 12 hours to 24 hours format. Please remember this table. Look at it carefully. Okay. Now minutes number. Look at the picture. It tells us the minutes elapsed after an hour. It can display a number from 0 to 59. 60 means another hour starts, so hour is incremented by 1. Seconds number. Look at the picture. It tells us the seconds elapsed during a minute. It can display a number from 0 to 59. 60 means another minute starts and minute is incremented by 1. To understand the concepts completely, please replay the video. Some more clock concepts. Minutes hands of a clock moves from 60 to 5, 10, 15 and then finally reaches back to 60. In each full rotation or full circle, minutes hand covers 60 minutes. We can measure minutes already covered by minutes hands from 60. We call it past. Since we are counting away from starting or smaller r, we use the starting or smaller r for reporting hours time in past notation. We can measure minutes left by minutes hand to reach back to 60. We call it 2. Since we are going to reach the next hour, we use the next or bigger hour for reporting hours time in 2 notation. We always use the smaller of above 2 minutes numbers for reporting time. 15 minutes is 1/4 of 60 minutes, so we call 15 minutes as quarter. Therefore 10:15 is called quarter past 10 and 10:45 is called quarter to 11. At the center we always say half past. Now look at this clocks. So first one is 20 to 10 or 9:40. Next is 10 past 5 or 5:10. Half past 3 or 3:30. This is 10 past 4 or 4:10. This is 25 to 1 or 12:35. And the last one is quarter to 5 or 4:45. To understand the concepts completely, please replay the video. Roman numerals. Roman numerals are originated in ancient Rome. It was the usual way of writing numbers throughout Europe. Numbers in this system are represented by combination of letters from the Latin alphabet. The symbols and their values are in the table alongside. Please look at this table. I means 1, V means 5, X means 10, L means 50, C means 100, D means 500, M means 1000. Okay. To write 2, we use I twice. To write 4, we use a subtractive notation of placing I before V. So, IV means 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Please look at the table alongside to understand how different numbers are written in Roman. Now, please try to learn this table or try to understand this table. Okay? It will give you a clear picture. Roman numerals are important in time chapter because many of the clocks still use Roman numerals as markings. Now look at these two clocks. These have Roman numerals. And this table alongside shows you a conversion of hours to Roman values. Okay. Now did you notice that the number 4 can be written as 4 times I as well as IV? Replay this video to get a better understanding of Roman numerals. Time, addition and subtraction. First we'll cover division basics. Dividend is a number that is being divided. Divisor is the number that is dividing it. Quotient is the number of times a division is completed fully. Remainder is the amount that is left that doesn't fully go into the divisor. Look at the picture alongside. Okay, we will be using these basics for our time addition and subtraction. Okay, now points to remember: a day has 24 hours, a hour has 60 minutes, a minute has 60 seconds. Now to convert seconds to minutes, divided by 60. Quotient is the minutes, remainder is the seconds. So 130 seconds means 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Now to convert minutes to hours, divided by 60. Quotient is the hours and remainder is minutes. So 80 minutes means 1 hour and 20 minutes. Now why do we divide seconds and minutes by 60? Yes guys? Because 60 seconds is 1 minute and 60 minutes is 1 hour. Now adding time. First add seconds and divide it by 60. Add quotient to minutes and keep remainder as seconds. Then add minutes and divide it by 60. Add quotient to hours and keep remainder as minutes. Example, add 1 hour 40 minutes and 50 seconds to 2:30:40 am. First add seconds. 50 plus 40 is equal to 90, quotient is 1, remainder is 30. Then add minutes. 40 plus 30 plus 1, quotient from seconds is equal to 71. Quotient here is 1, remainder is 11. Then add hours. 1 plus 2 plus 1, quotient from minutes is equal to 4. So time is 4:11:30 am. Okay guys? Now subtracting time. First deduct seconds. You can carry 1 minute and add it as 60 seconds if the number to be subtracted is more. Then deduct minutes. You can carry 1 hour and add it as 60 minutes only if the number to be subtracted is more. Example, deduct 1 hour 40 minutes and 50 seconds from 2:30:40 am. First deduct seconds. 40 minus 50 plus 60 carry from minutes is equal to 50. Then deduct minutes. 30 minus 40 minus 1 carried to seconds. Okay, plus 60 carry from hours is equal to 49. Then deduct hours. 2 minus 1 carried to minutes is equal to 0. So time is 0:49:50 am or 12:49:50 am. Questions for revisions. Now what time is 1320 in 12 hours format? Yes guys? In a 12-hour format, time is from 12 am pm till 11:59 am pm. To convert time from 24 hours to 12 hours format, we just need to look at the hours number. If it is less than 12, then time is in am and same as in 24 hours format. If it is more than 12, then time is in pm and hours is obtained by removing 12 from it. So 1312 translates to 1:12 pm. Next question. Sam takes 45 minutes to reach his school. If he starts at 7:21 am, what time will he reach school? Yes guys, it's an addition problem. Okay, please refer to the earlier portion of video on time addition and subtraction. Here we need to add 45 minutes to 21 minutes, then divide it by 60. Add quotient to hours and keep remainder as minutes. Or divide 66 by 60, add 1 quotient to hours and keep 6 remainder as minutes. Hour is 7 plus 1 is equal to 8, minute is 6. So the time when he reaches school is 8:06 am. Now Sam takes 45 minutes to reach his school. If he has to reach school by 8:15 am, what time should he start? Now again this is a question of subtraction. Now please refer to the earlier portion of video on time addition and subtraction. Here we need to deduct 45 minutes from 15 minutes. Since 15 minutes is lesser than 45, we need to carry an hour or 60 minutes from hours place. So minutes is 15 plus 60 minus 45 is equal to 30. Since an hour was carried to minutes, hours left is 8 minus 1 is 7. So he should start for school by 7:30 am. Now in this exercise you need to match these two. You can pause the video and try to solve it on your own. We will provide the solution in 5 seconds from now. Guys, try to match it. Okay, so the first one is quarter past 7. Second, 21:15 will match to 9:15 p.m. Third one goes to there, and so on. So you can match it on your own or come to the solution here and look for the solution. Okay guys? Thank you for watching this video. We are a fast growing channel and we post new learning videos regularly. Please subscribe to our channel. Please like our channel and please don't forget to hit the bell icon. Your likes and subscribes give us an extra drive to keep going at a strong pace. Thank you.